Hello, in this series of Voltman reviews, we are getting hands-on with Legrand's range of cable management solutions. When you have to deliver a project on time, the ease and speed of installation can really make the difference. And that is exactly what the Swiftclip aims to provide. Kyle, you and I have looked at a number of cable management solutions. What's so good about this one?
Well, firstly, it's great to see manufacturers developing new products that helps make a contractor's life easier. Here, we have the Swiftclip for the Swift's cable tray system. According to independent tests, this method is 4 times faster to fit than using traditional nuts and bolts on Legrand's medium and heavy duty cable trays.
So Kyle, could you give us a demo?
Yeah. So you just grab your 2 bits of tray, put them together, grab your coupler, then you grab your Swiftclip, and this is the bit that I love. It's completely toolless entry. Clip in the first leg, second and third. All clipped in.
And I imagine it's pretty much exactly the same on the other side then?
Exactly that. You've got a lovely seamless connection through here. So again, just got to line these up so that we can make sure that the Swiftclip goes through the coupler and through the tray. Clip in the first leg, second and third. And the one thing I love, again, there's no nuts and bolts at all.
That's brilliant. But is it as easy to install if you want to connect fittings like bends?
Yeah, lovely and straightforward again. Just grab your bend, line up the 2 tabs that slide in either side of the cable tray. Grab your Swiftclip, put the head in, and then leg 1 and leg 2. Again with the second clip, head in, leg 1, leg 2, and we're lovely and connected.
Okay Kyle, does the Swiftclip deliver?
Well, Legrand promote the product as a fast fit solution. If you compare it to traditional installations, it certainly does that. As I've always said, a lot of these systems come down to personal preference, and not using nuts and bolts might be alien to a lot of contractors. Once you see how flexible and speedy a system like this is, the benefits really become clear. The fact that the connection ensures earth continuity without the need for additional components is great. It's quick, it's easy, and the connections feel reliable. It's exactly what you want from a cable management system.
Thank you very much, Kyle.
Thank you.
And there you have it, the Swiftclip from Legrand. If you'd like information on more of Legrand's cable management solutions, check out the catalogue in the link below. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure you like and feel free to share with everyone else. Stay tuned for more Voltman reviews.